Hi, it's Tony. You're in Pop Pop's workshop. I'm a fraud. And there's no other way to put it. I really have put off finalizing the steps on this Wizmaker laser, and that is all on me. I have been completely intimidated by this new technology. Putting it together, okay, lots of pieces went together great. The instructions, fabulous. Then I started downloading the software and I got intimidated. So follow along, see how I worked through some of these steps, how it actually worked for me, even though I was intimidated. And then we'll sum it all up in the end with my final thoughts. Watch this.
It has begun.
Okay, so I finally got it to recognize my machine. It was something I was doing. It wasn't doing it. This is old guy, new technology, and I feel completely lost. So if you get one of these and you feel completely lost, join the club, because I'm sure over time I'll figure some of this out, but right now it feels overwhelming. So prepare for that. I did a little test cut on the sheet. Put out Nanny's name. So now I've typed in a thing, and we'll start and see if I figured it out to this point and see what happens. So here goes nothing. Let's frame it. So make sure it's got to cut where I want it to cut. Yep, that's where I want it to cut. So hit the start button. And we'll hit the stop button because it's working, but I did something wrong. Right off the bat, I didn't take this and set that where it's supposed to go. So that's a mistake. So I'll move this a little bit. Place that, loosen the screw in the back, that down. Now it's focused. And I didn't like the speed on that. So that should be all right. Let's frame it again. Yep, that'll work. That's better. Nana just asked me if it was going to cut off the board, but that's the beauty of the Lightburn software with the frame option. So when I hit frame, it travels the area that it's going to cut in or burn in. So that will give me an easy way to know if it's going to go off the board. Then I know I need to shrink it or change the size of the letters or do something. So that's how I knew I could start the job. So quick tip for guys just starting out, hit the frame option always so you know where your cut path is at. Oh, we're almost done. We got about 20 seconds left, and we'll see the final job. But so far, I'm impressed. I was just trying to etch. I wasn't trying to cut. I don't know if I ran it too slow, too much power. I'm hoping it didn't cut through. We'll find out. And we're done with the cut, and it goes home. So now we'll take the board up. Hey, it actually worked. Well, as you saw in the video, it actually worked. There are still a lot of things that I've got to figure out. It's a great machine. It's amazing. As I said in a previous video during the setup, we're cutting things with light. Blows my mind. My generation grew up playing with sticks and stones, outside, drinking from hoses, all that fun stuff. Parents didn't know where you were. And now we're at a time where technology is I can put a picture or write script or draw, put names, whatever, and I can burn them with light into whatever. I can cut things out with this. The options and the possibilities are endless. So, should you get a laser if you're an old guy like me? Absolutely. Will it be frustrating at times? Absolutely. But we're older. We should be able to exercise a little patience, a little perseverance, and push through it. Because, hey, we pushed through all the dirt when we were kids. We can push through this together too. So hopefully you've got some new tools. You're thinking about getting a laser, do it. The Wizmaker, wonderful laser. We really appreciate them sending us this machine so we could run it through its paces. And there'll be lots more to come. So now we have the opportunity to customize our stuff. The possibilities, like I said, are just endless. I got many things buzzing through my head now that I've worked through my problems, not the machine's problems, my problems with this setup. So hopefully you found the video entertaining. I'm maybe not as big a fraud as I thought I might have been at the beginning. We'll figure it out later, to be determined. So, as I said, hopefully you're having a great day. Thank you so much for watching the video. We appreciate you taking your time to do that. And remember, you can do this.